Generative AI is revolutionizing creativity across various domains such as art, video, music, and 3D modeling. With tools like Sora, Runway, and Midjourney, artists can now explore new dimensions of creativity, transforming how we perceive and create media. We are witnessing a new artistic era with AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E sparking a digital renaissance. These tools enable artists to generate complex visuals from simple text prompts, while projects like Melodishy, Binary Dreams showcase AI's ability to blend human vision with machine imagination. Midjourney's advanced machine learning techniques empower artists to explore surreal visions, pushing the boundaries of imagination. Meanwhile, Sora assists artists in concept generation and rapid experimentation, lowering barriers for beginners and accelerating workflows for professionals. Runway offers seamless video editing and text-to-video generation, democratizing cinematic production. Neural Frames specializes in AI-powered music videos, creating dynamic, immersive experiences by syncing visuals to audio, enhancing the emotional impact of media content. AI tools analyze audio to generate synchronized visuals, enhancing music videos with dynamic visual effects. Artists like Grimes collaborate with AI labs to push the boundaries of music and multimedia art, experimenting with unconventional sounds and visual aesthetics. AI is rapidly transforming 3D design, making complex modeling accessible to everyone. Tools like Alpha 3D and Boom Interactive convert 2D images into detailed 3D assets, while NVIDIA Omniverse's ChatGPT enables real-time collaboration in gaming, architecture, and film. AI automates tedious tasks in 3D design, unlocking new possibilities for creativity and efficiency. By streamlining workflows, artists can focus on innovation and exploration, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in 3D modeling. Kyber's Super Studio combines image, video, and audio AI models in one interface, enabling artists to create custom models and remix visuals effortlessly. Collaborations with artists generate real-time visual responses to music and movement, transforming static setups into dynamic experiences. AI-generated art raises questions about authorship, originality, and copyright. Platforms like Runway charge per compute minute, creating accessibility barriers. The balance between AI and human creativity remains a key conversation, questioning whether AI will diminish or enhance artistic skill. AI empowers artists by expanding what's possible, making creativity more accessible and collaborative. Explore tools like Midjourney, Runway, and Sora to unlock new artistic potential. Embrace the synergy between human imagination and AI